treats. We've got treats.
That's where we stayed last night, isn't it gorgeous?
Heidi House.
Heidi House. This lovely, quaint little street.
And you get loads of change.
Alright, day 2.
Where are we?
Lots of detours through silly villages.
Yes.
Yes.
Beautiful lake, Nagadi. Nagadi Lake.
And there's a dam thing down there, so they've all got electricity now.
Lots of beautiful cicadas.
And there's some rice things,
Could be up there, I think.
more rice things, and
Have you shown them that up there, that village up there? Yeah.
oh, there's another little village right up there, if you can see. There you go.
That's where we should be, I think.
Lost it already.
Where's it gone?
Look what she has just walked across. I have to give you a bit of
And then she falls over.
They're not interested. No. What's going on, Ian?
Well, we've just climbed up this valley,
Uh-huh.
all the way from down there where those paddy fields go.
Okay.
And it's a very long way, and we're up at 1,351 metres.
Really?
And I've had my drone out, and I've got some drone shots.
Mm-hmm.
And yeah, it's really, really hot today.
And what village are we at now?
We're at
Come on.
Pandaha.
Pandaha.
Bandaha.
Are there any pandas here?
Yes, there are.
Yeah,
Yes,
really?
there's a whole nursery of them.
A whole nursery of pandas.
Yes.
Well, show us around the village then. Go on.
Right.
Show us around the village. Oh, we've got to get this. This is a toilet flush. Okay, it's lovely. Anyway, back to you, Ian.
Here's the fresh water over here.
Okay.
Okay, and
Very
stick.
good. Stick.
That's the steps up to the village.
Okay.
It's got flags on it.
We've got to go off all those steps.
Yeah, well, we've just come up with about 6 million.
Oh, really?
And there's the river motive, those mountain view thing.
There we go.
And there's this old lady's washroom.
Fantastic. There's a knickers. Ladies' knickers. Very
And-
good.
And we're going to go and have some lunch now.
Bye-bye. This is a gorgeous lady who's going to make us lunch.
Yes.
Aren't you?
Yes.
She said it was 50 steps. It's 70. If she says it's 50, do not believe.
There you go. It's worth it though.
We're here at this beautiful restaurant on top of a mountain. An extra 70 steps, but I think it's going to be worth it.
This is where we're having lunch. It's a bit of a nice view. Really. Yes.
Yes, this is how you take your children to school. You drag them on the tricycle.
Come on, children. Faster. They're so slow.
I'm going to nick that tricycle.
Let's keep walking. Ian's got a new friend. We've got another hairy hiker with us. And his name's Toto, apparently. Down there. There he goes. Likes Ian. There they go. The 4 hairy hikers. No.
dangerous
to the
rapid.
dangerous rest. We've got to trek through the rapid,
Yeah.
and then we've got to jump over
Will
the
we all
log.
make it?
We've got to jump
I
over
feel
the
like a
log.
wildebeest on the Masai Mara.
We've got to go down there. Oh, sorry, Paul wants attention.
Is this the Timothy audition?
Yes, this is the one. Come in.
Where do you want me?
Under that big flowing pile of water. Come on. Oh, that was easy.
Rain's not wrong.
Oh, right.
Follow the yellow brick road. Follow the yellow brick road.
Turn around,
The
quick.
yellow brick road.
A day and a half, and we haven't mentioned our other trekker that's with us. Ladies and gentlemen, here's Crystal. And it's the appropriate time to bring her out because we're at Crystal Guest House.
So we are.
Named after Crystal, especially named after. We're going to leave her here for a couple of nights. She wants to stay here.
Just wants
So
to rest
follow
up.
me, follow
Get
me.
over a jet lag.
This is Crystal. This is the owner of Crystal. This is the owner of Crystal. You own Crystal Guest House. Yeah. Yes,
Yes.
this is Crystal. And this is her guest house. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the owner. Fantastic.